All right, what's up, guys? Behind me, I got this cool box. Well, the box isn't so cool. It's what I got inside of it. Anybody that has a vehicle or anything that they can wash, I think they're gonna enjoy it. So just want to bring something to you guys. It's been a couple months in the workings, and hopefully you guys like it. So let's take a look. So this is pretty much exactly how you guys are gonna see it. There's going to be more tape. It's going to be a lot more generous than that. So you guys are going to open it up. So right here is the drying towel. So you're going to probably see right there on the top. So we'll get this guy out. Well, I don't really care about the packaging. The first thing you're going to notice, this is like, again, a lot of top-notch stuff that's coming in this kit, is this is about 20 by 31 in size. 20 by 31 inches, but it's edgeless, completely edgeless. So it's hard to find towels like this on the market. If you guys go on like Amazon and stuff too, that's where I'm going to start sticking these little things up in probably the top corner of the screen. You can see how much you can buy it on Amazon for. And again, I'm not trying to be the cheapest, and I'm not trying to take over this market, but I want you guys to see that if you guys want to get some premium stuff for your truck or car, it would be this. So these are those same ones that you guys see that it only takes one towel to sit there and dry the entire truck. It's super absorbent. So the cool thing is with what we got right here is that is a microfiber. What I've been using in the past, actually I have to find it here in the garage, but it had like really stiff bristles on it that could scratch the wheels. I mean, these wheels are like, even on these trucks right here, like these race lines will probably do very well with really anything, with any bristle. But some of your guys' gloss wheels or some of your high-end wheels on your cars or trucks, some forged wheels, you really don't want those stiff bristles in there scratching it. So this is like, you can't feel it, but this is padded in the inside, and which is going to help kind of absorb some of that water and stuff. But it's padded to help keep keep it from scratching and everything. And this is going to be a nice tool, again, being another microfiber, to go in and out of your wheels, in and out of your spokes, and help keep that clean. So I'm super excited about that. So right here we got the wash mitt. So it's a pretty big size. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but maybe it's more of a standard size now. But this is where you're gonna have something that's it's 9 by 8, and it's completely scratch free. It's lint free. So once you start using this, you're not gonna have anything left over on the truck, and it'll start to poof up as we put it inside the wash bucket itself. But I wanted to find like these softest bristles I could, and it doesn't have all those like little strings coming out of it like you see on some of those cheaper wash mitts. So this is good right here. As long as you guys keep these things clean, then that's going to be perfect. This right here is going to be pretty awesome. It's going to keep everything on the truck from being scratched. Okay, now that we've gotten to the last component, we had a decent tire brush, so this is going to do pretty good on the tires. Actually feels pretty good. I don't think tire brushes really are one of those things that last very long, and I wanted to find something that was kind of maybe more of a medium duty. I don't like those really stiff ones that are on the market, because again, once you get closer to the wheel, you can start scratching it. So we got you something that was more of like a medium duty, and for those guys that you guys are scrubbing your tires and stuff too, this is going to do really well. And here's the thing I'm the most excited about. So we kind of saved the best for last. This thing is sweet. What's on the bucket is what they call, I guess they call it a gamma. I never even heard of that term until we started making these. And what that is that's this lid, and it completely seals the bucket. So if you decide to throw some of your wash mitts or towels or whatever inside the bucket when you're storing it, you don't have to worry about any debris or any spiders or any bugs or anything getting in here. We also have the really nice upgrade here too, which you guys have probably seen some of this stuff on the market, but this is one of the little dust guards. So this does real well in keeping the dust, dirt, debris that's in the bucket swirling around as you're dunking the wash mitt in every time that you're washing the truck. And obviously you're doing that several times. This sits at the very bottom of the bucket, keep all that stuff nice and clean. When you're moving the bucket around too, the other upgrade we did, and you'll see again when I put some comparisons to what's on the market in the top left of the screen, you're gonna see they have like those little really thin metal bars that go across, and then like a white little plastic handle. Even on some of the new high-end like Adams buckets, this right here has a really nice rubber handle, and it's really big. So I can tell right out of the gate when this thing's full of water and everything, and to go move this around, this is gonna feel really nice. So that's all nice and like much more sturdy and heavy duty. So we took all the plastic and stuff out. You can stick the gamma back on the top, and tighten that guy up. But here's what the bucket looks like, and I think it just looks absolutely amazing with the logo on it. It was really hard to find like a bucket on the market that was clear. Seemed like everybody didn't really want to do clear. So that's it right there. I mean, that thing is awesome, and I cannot wait to get soap and water and everything in here. We'll move the towel and go, you know, the camera, and go show you the other side. This doesn't feel wet at all. And I got the whole cab section of the truck and the fender. So now we try and get the hood, which is a lot more wet, and maybe the bumper and the other side. This could probably do 2 vehicles. I was actually contemplating putting 2 of these in the kit, and I'm glad I stuck to 1 to keep the cost down. And you guys don't need to. This is a trip. You guys can see, like, maybe on the camera, there's some wet spots. Some wet spots on this, but there's actually quite a bit of dry spots that have no water at all. And that's the whole front half of the truck, the whole other side, the whole grill. So now I'm gonna go over to this side here. This truck was ceramic coated, so not a lot of water sticks to it to begin with. It beads off. That's just a quick, you know, I'm gonna set the camera down and get all the details with this. Just because I'm OCD, but the water does not need to be dried off. I usually just leave it and everything's fine as long as the DI tank, it doesn't have the red light on. But I'm telling you, this towel, it feels like it weighs a little bit more for sure, but it's ready to go. And honestly, if I'd have known this, I probably would have washed both the trucks and then did it with just this towel. Well, that's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the wash kits when you guys get them picked up off the website. And we'll always try to make sure we have these in stock. So that's all I got for you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Again, hopefully you guys like this. Something cool that you guys can all enjoy. See you guys next one. On the next one. See ya.